This is a typical day in the life of Wanyans. First, we wake up at 5:43 a.m. and make 2 cups of coffee.
That's right. Every time.
You want long shirt on or off? Or I guess on, huh?
Keep it on if you can. But...
Okay. On. Ah, there we go. Hello, everyone. My name is Sonny Briscoe. Hello. Hello. Hey. Hey. Kitty. Hey. Hey.
I feel like it's impossible to do an impression of me because I change the way I talk like every year.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like
I'll do debut, Sonny. Hi, everyone. It's nice to see you today. Well, hi, everybody. Oh, I'm Sonny Taicho.
Nice.
Oh, hell yeah. What is modern day Sonny?
I don't know.
Hey, Kitty. Hey.
I feel like I'm too chill these days. Like,
Hey.
I'm not putting enough effort and energy into my like daily stream.
I feel that. Guys, what are phrases that Sonny says? He sounds like an American Australian. Me? Thank you. Fooders. Hey, can I make some fooders?
No, you know what? You sound like
What?
You sound like Homer Simpson. Marge, I want some fooders.
Marge. What does Homer say? Donut. I could do Patrick. To the owner of a white sedan, you left your lights on. Sonny Briscoe. Hey man, fooders.
I only say that because Claude was saying that. It's not me.
Wait, guys, tell me more.
I can't claim that.
What else? Often plays with his eyebrows?
Up and down. Trying to do that.
Oh, hells yes. Oh, hells yeah. Guys, oh, hells yeah. Hey. Whoa there. Hey.
Now look here now, I'm the sheriff around these parts.
Marge.
I think you could get really good at that if you practice. That's really funny.
Please give us 1000% smile of Sonny.
What's that?
I'm doing your smile. How is that? Is that good? Have you guys ever seen Sonny do that?
Not often.
Zad check. Oh. Get cubed. I got you guys. Don't worry. Is that good, bro? It's terrifying. No, it's not. Just imagine, this is the face you see before you're brutally mauled. It's like he's running toward you. Just imagine he's doing this, running toward you. It kind of looks like you're running. It's like a titan running toward you. Why would you do this? It's perfect. Mom, I'm scared. Please come pick me up. Okay, honey, I'm on the way. Mom, don't pick me up anymore. My name is Sonny Briscoe. I'm an officer of the law. That's so bad.
You sound like someone, it's not me.
Can we get a Mickey Mouse son?
Huh? Gosh. Hey, guys. Oh, big fella. Calm down. Gosh.
Who's the big fella?
It's you.
What?
You're the big fella.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sonny Briscoe from Nijisanjien, and you're watching Disney Channel.
Just do impressions, but introduce yourself as someone completely different.
How's your Deku voice? Hey guys, I'm here to save the day. My name is Midoriya Deku. Deku mean I don't know how the fuck he says it in the dub. I'm Midoriya. Was that close? I've never heard the dub actually.
I don't know what the dub sounds like.
Sounds like Doppio. The D in Doppio stands for powerful. I don't know.
Powerful dopey.
Powerful dopey.
There you go.
Thanks, man.
Alban latte.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, dude, this latte art is sick.
It's actually a Rorschach test. So what do you see in the pattern there?
I see a woman in a dress dancing with the moonlight shining down on her, but for some reason she's missing a foot.
Interesting.
Is that
Let me check my Sigmund Freud's handbook of interpreting Rorschach tests.
Yeah.
You want to fuck your mom? It
Whoa!
says.
Oh!
Says-
Whoa! Well, you got to be careful. I'm controlling your face. Whoa!
Whoa, Paul.
Whoa, pog! Oh, poggers.